Hello, welcome to my channel. So if you are watching this video, probably you are unable to select your hard drive to install Mojave Sierra or Mojave. You get a message saying that your disk cannot be used to install macOS. Okay, let me show you. So we select disk utility, click confirm, and the disk is here. It's formatted journaled or FAT. Okay, I will select journaled and I will erase. Okay. And after that, if we want to proceed with the installation, we will get a message saying that the disk is not available. This disk is not in GUID partition table. Okay, so you had to format previously the disk to GUID. It can't be done in diskutil directly. So this is the disk, and if you can see, if I select partition or erase, doesn't give me an option to format in GUID. Okay, so if I select my Mojave partition, my disk, it's available. But if I select this one, the 80 gigs disk 1 S1, it's not available. So we are going to do it via terminal. So first, enter disk util space list. You will get all the disks in your Mac. Okay, the one that we want, it's disk 1, the one with 80 gigs. So disk util space erase disk HFS plus space external GPT space slash dev slash disk 1. So you have to enter the number of the disk, and now we are doing the process using the terminal. Okay, now we have the hard drive is ready, is GUID, and you can proceed with the installation that will work. Okay, don't forget, if this video was helpful to you, to give it a thumbs up and catch the other videos on the channel. Okay, now you can see that we can format APFX and everything. Okay, so once again, if this video was useful to you, give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribe. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.